Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an aero leap. First, building a solid foundation is crucial for any dynamic movement. Dedicate at least 3 days a week to strength training, focusing on your core, legs, and upper body. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions for most exercises. Incorporate dynamic stretches before and static stretches after your workouts to enhance flexibility and prevent injury. This preparation will provide the power and control needed for a successful leap. Now let's break down the aero leap technique. Begin with a short, controlled run-up, typically 5 to 7 steps. As you approach your takeoff point, plant both feet firmly, driving your knees towards your chest for maximum height. While airborne, keep your body tight and focused. Prepare for landing by extending your legs slightly, aiming to absorb the impact through your knees and hips, rolling through your feet for a smooth finish. Safety is paramount when learning any new acrobatic skill. Begin by practicing your takeoff and landing on flat ground. Then, progress to very low obstacles, perhaps 6 to 12 inches high. As your confidence and skill grow, slowly increase the height and distance. Always ensure your practice environment is safe, utilizing soft landing surfaces. Consider having an experienced spotter present, especially for challenging variations, to provide support and guidance. To truly master the aero leap, consistent refinement is key. Integrate plyometric drills, like box jumps and depth jumps, into your routine 2 to 3 times a week to enhance explosive power. Experiment with different approach speeds and takeoff points to adapt to various scenarios. Filming your practice sessions offers invaluable insights, allowing you to analyze your form and make precise adjustments. Regular, dedicated practice will transform your leap into a fluid, powerful movement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.